Hello, this is the VIX analysis. I thought to make an analysis after I made for the Nasdaq to see how is the VIX performing. So this is the daily chart of the VIX. All-time low was at $9 since 2017, and since then it went up in 2020 until $85, and since March 18, 2020 it has been falling. So if we go back to the history of the VIX, we can see that it made all-time high in 2008, October 14, and the first trade date I have the chart from January 2, 1990, it was 1724. So 1724 will be a very important target or support, and now it trades at 1709. So usually when we have a long consolidation, the indexes would correct upwards. So if I draw a trend line from the top that catches all the tops, it already shows us that we should be very careful about long positions, because it made a support on the trend line at $17. Okay, and now it trades at 20. What is written there? One moment. It was 1692. So we will use 16 as a stop, and we will be long above it. Now we can also count, of course, the Fibonacci days and everything to look for a reversal, but only looking at the last consolidation here, and if I make a parallel channel from the last low, as long as it is above the middle line, also we have confirmation for a long. So we can narrow down the stop to 1536. Oh, I said here the stop was 16. So as long as it is above 1530, we are long. So then I ran the timing solution for the VIX, and I wanted to see which planets were where when the VIX stopped. So we can see here in 2008 that the Pluto was in Sagittarius, and Neptune in Aquarius, and Uranus in Pisces, and Saturn in Capricorn, and Jupiter in Capricorn. So looking at it today, we have nothing in common. What was then? Okay, let me forward it for today. These lines that you see here are the planetary lines that I am drawing with this possibility, multi-planetary fan. Okay, I click on the tops or on the bottoms, and I get this let me show you from this law. Multiplanetary fan. I am just drawing it, and then a window opens and I click on the planets. Look, this is heliocentric, okay? And I use the Vesta. I highlight it to be more thick lines, and I click also mirror. So we can see, and if we open under panel, you can reopen it and see which planet has which color. So Mars is red and Uranus is purple, Saturn is black. Okay, so then we know that if it is above Mars or it is supported by Saturn, then we have a good possibility that it will rally. Okay, let me highlight this, the last year. Okay. So what do we see here? We said that the red line is the Mars heliocentric line. So we see that it stopped exactly on Mars line. So now if I want to, I can't make it this. If I want to make a new fan, planetary fan here, then I can make from the last law and I will, oh, you see, we got the resistance at 1635. So I cannot make this change the sequence here because I don't know why. Anyway, this is more or less good. So what do we see here? The purple line is Uranus, and Uranus here, and Uranus from another date. So as long as it is above 1512, as per the heliocentric Uranus line, we are long. And if it goes above 1740, then it will go much higher. So then I also ran the intermarket tool, and I got this very good outcome, the purple line. I like purple, as you can see. So it shows us quite a choppy behavior, but on April 19 is the last low, and then it shows a top until June 12. And of course, this is only the direction and not the price level. I also ran the astronomy composite, and it came out that the Venus heliocentric position was the best position because it got 4 V's. So Venus heliocentric position is the blue line, and it also shows here quite a choppy movement till April 15 and then last low 1830th, but then it shows a rally until May 16. So keep your target, your stops, as we said. If we either you can use the third last candle 1353 or the 15 what was this here, 1530, and be long. When a share starts to go long, it will always go to the former tops. So if I use here the Fibonacci tool, then we can see that it doesn't give us the numbers. I don't know why. Anyways, the red one is the 50% correction, the pink is 0.61, and the purple is 0.78. So it should go to 2024 2055 and to the former top, and from there it will just rally higher and higher in May and June. Okay, so good luck, make money, click like, click like, click like, click like. Bye.